Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about Bihar. Number 1. Bihar is a state in eastern India. Number 2. It is known for its rich cultural heritage. Number 3. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Number 4. Bihar is often referred to as the land of Buddha. Number 5. Bihar has a blend of Hindu, Buddhist and Jain cultures. Number 6. The Ganges river flows through the state. Number 7. Hindi is the official language of Bihar. Number 8. The state has a mix of urban and rural communities. Number 9. Agriculture is a significant part of the state's economy. Number 10. Bihar is the third largest populous state in India. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.